Welcome to our channel, where today we will guide you through a simple and efficient method to unlock your Santander US account without hassle. If your Santander US account has been locked, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the easiest way to regain access step by step. First, identify why your account might have been locked. Common reasons include multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or security updates needed. Once you know that, the next step is to visit the Santander US official website or use their mobile app. Look for the Forgot Password or Unlock Account options, usually found on the login page. Click on the appropriate link, which will direct you to a verification process. This process typically includes entering your personal identification information such as your account number, social security number, or the phone number linked to your account. Having these details ready will speed up unlocking. After verification, you may be sent a temporary code via email or SMS. Enter this code on the site to confirm your identity. Then, you will be prompted to reset your password. Choose a strong new password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account security. Once the password is reset successfully, you can log into your account again. If you encounter any issues during this process, Santander US offers customer support through their helpline and online chat service. Contacting them can help resolve specific problems quickly. In some cases, visiting a local branch might be necessary for identity confirmation or to discuss security concerns. Remember, keeping your contact information updated on your account helps prevent lockouts and speeds up recovery. Regularly check your contact details and update them as needed. By following these steps carefully, you will be able to unlock your Santander US account with minimum stress and maximum efficiency. We hope this easy method makes your experience smoother. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides and tips on banking and financial services.